Hey, good day. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter, with today's Kernel of Wisdom. One of my newest consulting clients asked to grab a few minutes of my time. He was feeling a bit overwhelmed, and he asked me how he could find time to lead when he was so busy managing and putting out fires. It's a fairly common problem in today's fast-paced world. Finding time for leadership when you're incredibly busy with day-to-day management responsibilities can be challenging, but it's essential for long-term success. Here are some strategies that can help you balance leadership and management. First, and most importantly, it's essential to delegate effectively. What tasks can be delegated to your team members? Empower your team to take on more responsibilities and make some decisions on their own. This can free up your time for strategic leadership activities while strengthening their confidence at the same time. Secondly, prioritize tasks. It is so easy to wander off into the proverbial weeds of the urgent as compared to the important. Use time management techniques to prioritize your tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that align with your long-term goals and delegate or postpone less critical tasks. Look for ways to automate routine tasks or streamline processes within your management responsibilities. This can save you time for leadership activities. Thirdly, define clear and specific goals and times for your leadership efforts. Knowing what you want to achieve can help you allocate your time more effectively and efficiently. Then schedule specific blocks of time for leadership activities in your calendar. Treat these blocks with the same level of importance as meetings or other responsibilities. You're not available for anything else. Fourth, don't be afraid to say no when necessary. People-pleasing is not a strong leadership characteristic. Be selective about taking on additional tasks or projects. Politely decline or defer requests that don't align with your leadership priorities. Striking a balance between managing and leading can be tricky, especially when you feel like you're going 100 miles per hour every day just to keep up. But balance is crucial for everyone's success, not just yours. Next week, I'll have a few more ideas on this subject for you. Until then, this is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter. Have a great day.